Hello once again, and thank you for joining me on the Waters and Stanton video channel. This video is devoted to the announcement that Yaesu UK are launching a new cashback offer. In fact, there's two cashback offers. This offer is only for the UK, although I'm sure in other parts of the world Yaesu have their own arrangements as well. There are two cashbacks. One runs from the 1st of November 2024 to the 20th of January 2025, and the other cashback is a bit shorter, runs again from the 1st of November but ends on the 31st of December 2024. Let me just explain how the Yaesu cashback works in the UK. You purchase your radio from ourselves and you then send a copy of the receipt to Yaesu UK together with the serial number of the radio. And they will then send you a cashback based on the model that you purchased. It normally takes 2 to 3 weeks for the cashback to come, but it will come to you. So it's quite simple. So let me now show you the radios that are the subject of this Yaesu cashback, together with the amount that you will save. And at the end of this video, I'll also give you a tip on making further savings. The cashback in this section runs from the 1st of November 2024 to the 20th of January 2025. Yaesu's top-selling radio, the FTDX 101 MP, save £340. The FTDX 101D 100-watt transceiver, save £260. Then on the FTDX10, very popular radio, save £85. On the Yaesu FT991A, all mode 160 to 70 sems, save £85. And on the FT710 AESS, £85 saving. On the FT710 Field, very popular radio again, £85 saving. The following items have a cashback which runs from the 1st of November 2024 to the 31st of December 2024. The Yaesu repeater, the DR2XE, save a massive £300. On the Yaesu FTM 500DE, save £70. And on the handheld, the FT5DE, save £45. Some significant savings there, isn't there? But you can also save a bit more money because you can also do a part exchange deal. All you have to do is to give us a call, tell us what gear you've got, and we'll give you a part exchange price, although it's subject to obviously seeing the gear. That means to say that you'll make a saving on the initial purchase by part exchanging gear, and then on top of that you'll get a cashback from Yaesu UK. So think about it. It's a great opportunity to make a significant saving. So that's the Yaesu cashback. It's very worthwhile considering if you're in the market for changing your radio. Thanks for your support on this channel. By the way, don't forget to press the subscribe button. That gives us an indication as how many followers we've got and so forth, and whether we're doing the right things. And also thank you for your support generally on this channel. I know that we get a lot of comments below the various videos we publish. I don't respond to all of them because I can't, but there's some interesting comments, and I thank you for your support on this channel. Also at Waters and Stanton here in the UK, we thank you for your support. Don't forget, we do send goods all over the world, so there we are. Anyway, you enjoy your ham radio, you take care, and as usual, I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.